or the width is 2 meters 440.
Is that for both the dry wall, for both the dry storage and the freezer?
No, this is just the freezer. I'm talking about, because I'm working out the shelving of the freezer.
Okay, so that's
I'm working on the shelving right now.
All right.
So we can work it. I'm going to put on the 2 meters and 2 meters 500.
So 440 wide by?
1 meter 985.
Here they coordinate the kitchen, what has to be done tomorrow.
Just the freezer.
François is in charge. He's working with his 2 foremen. And here are the ladies' corner. A bit quieter, more beautiful, I must say. Are you all sweating? Is the t-shirt gluing on your body? Huh? I tell you, Dan William can be hot. So, is it not time for having a beer now, or what is going on here? It's almost 5 o'clock. A little beer would be nice, huh?